channel. It's your girl Stacey Renee. You already know. Before we get into this review, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this lovely review, give it a big thumbs up because it's helping my channel out and it's helping me grow, okay? Alright, so today's review, it is another Amazon review. I will list all the information in the description box down below. The store, it's called World Star Hair. I guess they got some World Star hair. Okay, honeys. This hair was super dope. I really enjoyed making this video, and I got it says HD transparent Mongolian kinky curly lace front, and it's saying that it is human hair. It does have a pre-plucked hairline. They sent me I think they sent the 18-inch. I can verify in 2 seconds. I got the 18-inch, honeys. This is a 13x4. This is considered their wet and wavy look. It's 150% density, and the color is like a natural 1B color. So guys, my beauties, I think that is all the details for now. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So like, I went ahead, I had some time this time, so I did give her a co-wash. I just used my regular Shea Moisture line. Can't remember which one. I think it's the moisture retention one. You know, they have 1,000 of them, but I just used that for my co-wash. So during the co-wash, I did get just a bit of shedding. This is about it. I got a little bit more, but that is not that much, so please don't panic. I didn't panic. It was cool with me. What I used to style her, I used my favorite, my Garnier Fructis. This is the Curl Sculpt Conditioning Curl Cream. It is a number 3 hold, and I distributed that through the hair with my good old Denman Brush. Denman brushes are great with curly hair. They help define curls. I also went in with my fingers and product when I was done and just kind of individually defined some of the curls that are on the outside as well. And this is how she turned out. Now, that is about all the products that I used. I did use the finishing sheen spray. This is from Kenra. It's a lightweight sheen spray, kind of like pink oil from back in the day, but it's not that heavy. It's very lightweight, so you know, it just give it that extra gloss to look, you know, your best. It didn't take that long. I would say this can be beginner friendly. Let me take it back just a bit. I'm gonna show you guys everything. The wig, like I said, this is a 13x4 frontal wig. The parting space wasn't that much. To me, the only way to part this hair would have been to do a middle part. The part would have been about this big. On the sides, you can see with the wefts where they start, so it's not like you can go in and do like one of those deep side parts that we all love. So since I couldn't do a side part, didn't want to do flip over, I went ahead and did like half up, half down style, and she turned out lovely. You guys would like to know how I did cover the tracks. I will link another video I did, a detailed half up, half down on how to cover the tracks. I will link that up above so you guys can go check that out. Again, everything will be in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get into this review. Alright, so this is what she's looking like straight out of the bag. The unit is constructed as per usual. There are 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the top, and there's 1 in the back, as well as adjustable straps. This is the 13x4, so it is a lace frontal wig. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and also it does have baby hairs. So even though it did come with the pre-plucked hairline, y'all know I like to still go in and customize my hairline just a bit more, just so it can look a bit more natural, especially how I had my hairstyle. I didn't use a part, and I kind of did the half up, half down. So I went in and customized the hairline just a little bit more. Alright guys, so I know it doesn't look like it, but as I stated, I did co-wash the hair, but I did co-wash washed her the day before, so of course she did dry out. So now I'm just going to re-wet her with my continuous spray bottle with just water only, and then I'm gonna go in and add my favorite curling define products, and those are from Garnier Fructis. I either use the Pure Clean or the Curl Sculpt. Either one will be listed in the description box below if you are interested. So while I'm applying the product, guys, I'm just going in with very large sections, but not too large, just making sure that I'm evenly distributing the product and defining those curls, honeys. Alright, just to save a little bit of time, I did go ahead and section off the piece that's going to be half up off camera. I will link a video to a more detailed version of this, of how I can cover any tracks above, and show you guys how I cover the tracks up. But right here, I'm basically just going in and just kind of point picking specific areas to define specific curls. Because even though we do brush the product through, the hair can still get somewhat frizzy. So I'm just going in individually and just picking out strands of curls and just putting product on them, so it'll like really define those curls and it won't look frizzy when it dries out, if that makes sense. Alright guys, we're almost done with this video. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add my Fit Me powder to my stocking cap and also the inside of the wig to the lace part, so that it'll blend in with my skin and look flawless. Okay. Today's adhesive, I'm just going to use my Göt2b Glued Freeze Spray, just because I don't plan on keeping this wig on all day, and it does give a nice hold, just as nice as any other wig adhesive. Alright guys, so we are now close to the very end of the video. The wig is now secured for the most part. That is what I'm doing. So for the most part, the perimeter is now secured. Now I'm just going to go in and kind of customize the hairline a bit. I'm going to add just a few baby hairs and secure any loose lace pieces down to my skin. And y'all, I don't know if I'm late or what. I have not personally seen anyone use this, but there's thousands of YouTubers out there. I did find this cute little bedazzled melt band at my local beauty store. I'll post a link below if I can find one. But isn't she cute, honey? Look at that. Like, look at that. That is cute. Alright, so I did notice my ponytail was a little bit crooked, so I did go in and correct her. It didn't take super long, but that's what I'm doing right now before I reveal the final shebang. Alright my beauties, if you have made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and hit the thumbs up button if you are enjoying this review. For the final touches, I'm just going to wipe off any excess glue that's showing white, and then I'm going to go back in with my Fit Me powder and go over the very edge of that lace with my powder to blend it in with my skin and make it look a little bit more natural. See how natural that looks, honeys? Like, this unit was gorgeous. I loved it. Didn't have anything negative to say about it. It was well worth the money. So for the final finishing product, I'm just gonna add a little bit of my sheen spray from Kinky just to liven her up a bit, make her look a little bit shiny but not too glossy, you know, a little natural looking. And that is about it, my beauties. I'll show you guys the back and then I will end this review. Alright you guys, we are done with the video. This is the final style. Thank you so much for watching. If you hung around to the end, I really appreciate you. Again, my name is Stacey Renee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And if you enjoyed my review, give it a big thumbs up, a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. Like I mentioned, this is an Amazon-based store. They are worldwide hair store on Amazon. I'll list the products and hot tools, all that I used in this video in the description box down below. If you need those, go ahead, click the links and get them. Any questions, comments, concerns, anything I did not go over, please comment them down below and I will get back with you as soon as possible. I think that's about it. If not, I will come back and let you know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.